Here are 3 tips and tricks to help you increase your concentration while studying. Create a distraction-free environment. Minimizing distractions is crucial for improving concentration. Find a quiet and well-lit space where you can study without interruptions. Turn off your phone or put it on silent mode to avoid distractions from notifications. If you find yourself tempted to visit social media or browse the internet, consider using website blockers or apps that limit your access to these sites during study sessions. 2. Break down your study sessions. Long study sessions can lead to fatigue and decreased concentration. Instead, break your study time into shorter, focused sessions. The Pomodoro technique is a popular method where you study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15, 30 minutes. Breaking up your study time allows you to maintain focus and prevent mental exhaustion. 3. Use active learning techniques. Passive learning, such as reading and highlighting, can be less engaging and hinder concentration. Active learning techniques, on the other hand, require your active participation and help improve focus. Some effective techniques include summarizing information in your own words, teaching the material to someone else, practicing problem solving, or creating flashcards. By actively engaging with the material, you'll enhance your concentration and understanding. Remember that concentration is a skill that can be developed over time with consistent practice. Be patient and persistent with these tips, and you'll likely see improvements in your ability to focus on your studies.